Join me in preparing my unripe plantain porridge, family. This is my onions and pepper, my cube salt, crayfish, red oil, dry fish, and of course my vegetables scent leaf. So here you go, blending my onions and pepper, washing my dry fish. Yes, you have to wash it clean. So slice your plantain anyhow you want it, whether small, big, it's still good to go. So wash and put in your pot. Now we are adding my dry fish to it. Family, I don't play with my secret ingredient, crayfish and salt. Adding my seasoning cube. So my darling family, please watch the video to the end. Right now I'm adding my red oil to it. Please don't add much of it because plantain don't need porridge. Plantain don't need much oil like that. Then we are adding my pepper and onions to my plantain. So here we go. Please do not don't turn it so that it will not start to burn quick. So yeah, getting my vegetable ready, scent leaf, of course. This scent leaf is good to go. Your porridge yam, your porridge plantain, your pepper soup, this leaf is good to go. Say family. So wash with your salt, do not forget to do that. So here I'm slicing my vegetable scent leaf. Yes, my darling family, so please, if you have not subscribe to my channel and share this video for me so that others can benefit from this video. So cutting my vegetable. Say here we go, we have to test our porridge plantain if we are to know whether we are adding salt or not. So right now we will add more salt to it. So family, be careful of adding your salt, please. Plantain don't need more salt. I'm still adding my secret ingredient, crayfish. I don't joke with crayfish. Please remember, do not turn it for now. All right, it's ready. Give it some time. And here is the final thing to add. Here we're adding our vegetable scent leaf to my porridge plantain. Now you are good to go to turn your food very well. Serve it very well right now because it's ready. Scent leaf is the last thing you're adding to this meal. So my food is ready, family. Don't allow that leaf vegetable to boil for so long. So this is it. It's good to go. Perfect and tastes great. So my darling family, just watch. So my food is ready. I have to eat. A person will cook most to chop. Here is it. I'm looking for my dry fish. So I don't play with my dry fish, and I like food. I don't joke with food. I love homemade food. So family, please try this meal. Try this meal. It's good to go. Plantain porridge is one in a million food. Try it, cook it every week. So come and join me, family. It's ready. My plantain is ready. Easy and delicious. Look at the face. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.